iQOO has now officially revealed the first look of the iQOO 15 Ultra. The upcoming Ultra variant is reportedly set to be available in black and white shades. The iQOO 15 Ultra is expected to launch in early February 2026. Schematic highlights a hidden active cooling setup inside the iQOO 15 Ultra. The iQOO 15 Ultra will debut in China by early February. It is likely to feature a massive 6.85-inch flat LTPO AMOLED screen that offers a 2K resolution, a 144Hz refresh rate, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. A 50MP Sony LYT603X periscope telephoto camera. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 powered device recorded a total score of 4,518,403 points, paired with a dedicated Q3 gaming chip, an LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.1 storage, and run on Origin OS 6 based Android 16, and a battery of around 7,000 mAh capacity with 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. The device may arrive with an IP68/69 rated dust and water resistant body. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.